Hello everyone, on this video I'm going to show you guys how to connect and link your AliExpress account with your Shopify store. Then I will give you the easy steps to import and dropship any AliExpress product to your Shopify store. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open AliExpress. Then guys, you need to create an account on AliExpress by using your email address or phone number. For example, this is my email address and the password, or you can use your Facebook or Twitter. Then after creating an account with using by your existing email address, then guys, your AliExpress it will automatically created. Then after created your AliExpress account, then go directly to Shopify store. As you know guys, AliExpress is one of the most e-commerce platform like Alibaba or Shein or any Chinese platform. Then guys, open your Shopify store. Then after creating your account on Shopify, go directly to the settings on the bottom. Then I will show you how to easily import the AliExpress product and link your AliExpress product to your Shopify store by using the application. Then guys, go directly to apps and sell channel in the middle. Then guys, hit on apps sell channel, then go and hit on Shopify App Store. As you see guys, it's very easy. Just make sure to finish this video until the end to be able to import any AliExpress product to your Shopify store. Then in the search bar, hit for example AliExpress, or you can tap Deezers. As you see guys, it's give you a bunch of different application using AliExpress Dropshipping. As you see guys, it's so much application, but I prefer the free version one, and it's free version one, and it's easy to use for a beginner or a dropshipper. Then guys, open Deezers AliExpress Dropshipping, then hit on install. As you see guys, this is the easy application to use for dropshipping on AliExpress to Shopify. Then guys, it take a few seconds guys to install, don't worry, it's very easy. Then hit on install. As you see guys, this is the easy method. Then guys, this is the Deezers application. Then first guys, you need your Shopify email address has been used to create Deezers account login. If this is a registered account, you can try to log in it. If you're not registered account, please register manually. Then guys, you can add another email address, or you can use this email address. Then hit on login and authorize. But guys, make sure to use the same email address on your AliExpress account and your Deezers and also your Shopify store to make easier to log in and link your AliExpress to Deezers. This is my email address that I am using on AliExpress, and add your password, then then hit on login and authorize. Wait a few seconds guys to link your AliExpress to your Deezers application. Are you sure you want to use the currently logged in Deezers account? This is my email address. Then hit on confirm. Then guys, wait a few seconds. Now guys, your Deezers application was created successfully. Now this is the dashboard of your application, but on the left side this is hit on home. But guys, before dropshipping or before you dropship any product on AliExpress, first guys, you need to add an extension to your browser. Then guys, go in the home section, hit on Chrome extension, then hit on Chrome extension. Then you need guys to add an extension to your browser. Then add extension. It's take a few seconds to download the extension on your browser. Now guys, your extension was successfully downloaded. Now guys, go to directly to icon extension, then hit on icon extension, then go directly to Deezers section, to Deezers AliExpress extension, then hit and pin the extension, then hit on these three dots, then hit on these three dots and go directly to manage extension. First guys, you need to manage extension to on your browser. First guys, make sure to select both section, first one and the second one, allow access to file URL. Then guys, after selecting and managing your extension, go again and open your extension, then hit on extension. Then guys, an Deezer's account is needed to in order to use your extension. Log it in or create your free account now. First guys, you need to create an account or you can log in with the same email address that you are using on AliExpress. Then after logging on Deezer's, now your Deezer's is successfully linked with your AliExpress account. Then guys, if you want to import the product, first guys, hit on Deezer's, then click on open AliExpress. It's take you directly to the AliExpress account. Then you can easily import any product to your Shopify store by using Deezer's. But first guys, I will show you an example how easily import and edit the product. Then I will show you an example. I will pick a random product. This is the easy method to import any product from your AliExpress account to your Shopify by using the Deezer's application. I will select a random product, for example this one. As you see guys, this is the product. Then first guys, this is the title and it's the 0.99 is a dropshipping product. Then hit on add to Deezer's on the bottom and the right. Then I hit on add to Deezer's. Then the imported product, AliExpress product was imported successfully. Then go guys to Deezer's application, then reload the application. Then guys, scroll down to import list in the left side, then hit on import list. Then guys, this is the product that you are imported successfully from AliExpress. It's easy to use guys to import any product. You can also go on AliExpress and select any product that you want. Just when you select the product, that add to Deezer's, it shows up automatically on your product. As you see guys, just easily tap this product, also hit on add to Deezer's any product guys. Then for example, add to Deezer's, wait a few seconds, your product also was added to Deezer's successfully. Then reload the page. As you see guys, this is the easy method to import and easy to use. Then guys, for example, first I want to list this product on my Shopify store. Then guys, before you push to store, go directly to edit the product. Then guys, first you need to customize the product and variation, description, the image, the shipping info. Then I will give you the easy method to customize your product on Deezer's application. First guys, this is the title, but I think it's large title. Make sure to reduce the title, for example like this. Then guys, the reference weight, you can add it or you can remove it. And then guys, the collection, scroll to the collection, you can add some collections on your product, the type product, the tags product. If you want the tag, just go and open your browser, a new browser, and tap tags generator. You can easily tap your title of your product and easily add some tags on your product. Then guys, go directly to the variation product. As you see guys, the product was only one variation. If she has too much variation, you can easily remove the variation, or you can edit the variation or customizing the price. Then guys, this is the price of product on AliExpress. On Deezer's, you can easily let the same price, or you can increase the price, for example 5.99 for example. Then guys, go directly to description section. You can also customize your description or on adding or removing anything you want on description. Then guys, some products also, I will show an example on product, imported product that import the picture on description. For example, I will show this one, add to Deezer's, wait a few seconds to import product, then open Deezer's application. Then hit on import list. This is the product. I will show you guys how easily import this image description. As you see guys, it's also import the image description. Then guys, go back to our product. Then guys, this is description section. Then go to image. Also, you can easily customize or add in a new image or change the cover image. Then guys, the shipping info, you can also add the SKU, just an optional section, and you can add ship to any country that you want to ship this product only. Then guys, after customizing the product, go back and hit on save, or you can push to store, but hit on save first. Then go to your product on your dashboard. Then go and hit on push to store. Then guys, make sure to select which store that you have, because some dropshippers has too much stores. Then select which stores. For example, I will select both stores, and make sure to select only push product specification, and also automatic inventory update, automatic price update, and make sure to select about this manual price update and push all image to your online store. Then hit on push to store. It's take a few seconds guys. Let's start it. Wait a few seconds to import all this product on your Shopify store. As you see guys, the product was imported successfully to your Shopify. Then guys, open your Shopify account, then hit on Shopify dashboard. Then guys, go and scroll to product section. As you see guys, this is your product, was successfully imported from AliExpress to your Shopify by using Deezers. Is active. But if you want to see your product on your online store, then hit on this eye icon and behind your title, then hit on this eye icon. Then guys, this is your product on your Shopify. It's imported successfully with all information. As you see guys, this is the only method and the easiest method for a beginner or a dropshipper to dropship any product from AliExpress to your Shopify store by using the Deezers application. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.